Welcome back. In the last episode, we learned about classes and objects. Today, we'll dive deeper into two important OOP principles: encapsulation and abstraction. These concepts help us write secure, modular, and clean code. Encapsulation means binding data and methods into a single unit, the class. It also restricts direct access to data, ensuring it can only be changed in controlled ways. Think of it like a protective shell that surrounds an object to protect its internal state from tampering or unwanted access. So, simply in other words, it protects the data from unauthorized access and modification. Let's understand encapsulation with this program. Here, we created a class called BankAccount with balance as private member, and then in the public, we created a constructor, and then we created some functions. The function void deposit will give us balance plus equal to amount. I hope you know that this is same as balance equal to balance plus amount. With withdraw function, we are checking if amount is less than equal to balance. If that's true, then we want balance minus equal to amount. Else, we will print insufficient balance. Here, getBalance will return the value of balance. In the main, we created our object and printed balance. Let's run this program and see what we'll get in the output. We got balance as 1300. Let's recall again. Here, the balance variable is private. You can only deposit or withdraw using public methods. This protects the data from being modified incorrectly. The next concept is abstraction. Abstraction in C++ focuses on simplifying complex systems by hiding unnecessary implementation details and exposing only the essential features or functionalities to the user. It allows you to create a clear separation between what an object does and how it does it. Just like when you drive a car, you press the accelerator, but you don't need to know how the engine works inside. Let's understand abstraction with this program here. Shape is an abstract class. It defines the draw function but doesn't say how to draw. The actual details are handled by circle and square, and this is abstraction. Only the idea is exposed, the details are hidden. These two principles make our code more secure, modular, and easier to maintain. So, in this lesson, we learned how encapsulation protects data using private members, how abstraction hides implementation using abstract classes, why both are essential in object oriented programming. Your challenge: create a class employee with private salary data, add functions to set and get salary, then make an abstract class role with a function work, and create two subclasses, manager and developer, that implement work differently. If you completed the challenge, drop a star in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because in the next episode, we'll explore inheritance in C++.